record-breaking ang corruption ni Bongbong Marcos, pero record-breaking din ang utang natin ngayon tulad ng kanyang ama. We were also buried in debt. And you can see the parallelism between the first Marcos administration and this administration. Balikan ko ang sinabi mo, Pam. Noong panahon ni Senior, nandyan si Imelda Marcos, First Lady, sa kanyang gilid. Ngayon, nandito si Lisa Marcos sa kanyang tabi. Noon, meron ding mga influential oligarchs na nagpapatakbo ng ating ekonomiya. Doon. Ngayon, meron ding talk of a midnight cabinet of billionaires na siyang nagkukumpas sa mga desisyon ni Bongbong Marcos. And during the first Marcos administration, sino ba yung biggest crony ni Marcos Sr.? Di ba si Cocoy Romualdez na siyang tatay nitong former Speaker Martin Romualdez? So, ang ginawa ng tatay ni Bongbong Marcos ay ginawa din ngayon ni Bongbong Marcos, ang junior, times 100, times 1,000. Now, ang similarity ends there. Because during the first Marcos administration, there was no Duterte. There wasn't any Duterte. All you had was a housewife that we were blinded to follow, that because she was the beacon of democracy, as propounded by the liberal elites. Ngayon, merong isang Sara Duterte at merong isang Rodrigo Duterte, no, na nagpakita kung gaano talaga ang pamamahala ng isang Pilipino na may malasakit sa kanyang nasasakupan. So, yun na. And people know that. People saw that. Even the most vocal critic na objective critics ng mga Dutertes are now speaking up. Hindi publicly yung iba, pero among their circles. Among their circles talagang yung old school liberals, they are now questioning themselves. They are now questioning their stance. So I'm pretty sure it is sending ripples now sa academe, sa political structure, and mind you, it's 2026 already. 2027, less than 11 months now, it's already an election year for 2028. I'm pretty sure third quarter of this year, December, around November, mag-aano na yung alignments niyan, political alignments. But I don't want for this government na this president na mapunta pa sa 2028.